Okay, last layout of this series. I have my last two pieces of paper that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to glue these down. If my glue will cooperate with me here. It's been trying to come out all day because it's warm. Now I'm trying to use it. It's like, no, I don't think so. Okay, so there we go. That's the first sheet. This is a 6x12. This one is a 6x10. You know what? It doesn't want to play. We'll go to plan B. I got things to do, layouts to do. All right, and this one is going to go about here. There we go. This one is going to be my granddaughter, and she met her favorite anime character. So Miss Lorelai, this is my second granddaughter. And this is going to be all animated related, but you don't have to necessarily keep it just anime. You can pretty much use the same layout and do so many different things. So you're just more or less looking at where the pictures and stuff are going to be. I think I'm going to put that just a little bit up. Like right there, I want it to be off the page just a little bit. Now I did do a print and cut these. You can actually do the same thing if you do, you find some clip art or something that you like and use these instead of stickers. I'm going to use this foam tape to bring it, to put it up a little bit higher. When I do it, I print one usually just a little bit smaller, shorter, tiny bit smaller. It just seems to look more natural when it's that way, but it doesn't have to be. This is just going to be a really quick page because not all pages have to be complicated. Okay, come on now. All right. So let me line this up. This is the anime's name in Japanese. So I thought it would be kind of cool to have it. And then this is her favorite anime character. One of these is just a tad smaller than this one. So I'm going to put the stickers. I don't want to lose anything here. Did I leave enough room for my... Nope, I did not. So I'm going to move this real quick because I need it to be over just a little bit. I should have done that first, but that's okay. We all have days or moments or whatever. And tore that paper up, but watch me just cover that up. Not worry. If you're beating yourself about something, just stop. It's all just moments of embellishing opportunities. And who better than scrapbookers to embellish a page? I mean, come on now. Like fishermen do their stories, they embellish their stories. It was that long, So we do that with scrapbook. All right. So I don't know a lot about this anime character. I do know that this anime character sings and she has a lot of quotes that she does, like positive quotes. So I decided to do the quotes. Some of the ones I picked some out that I thought was really cool. And just give me just a second and I'll show you those. I have a tool there, but watch me struggle anyway. So the quotes that I chose is no dream is too big when you believe in yourself. Every dream begins with a single step, take it. True friends are those who support you no matter what. Let your willpower shine, and even in darkness, find joy in the smallest things. So I chose some things that I thought maybe she would like. And now I'm going to put her on there. We just had a nice storm come through. It was pretty dark out there. They had a lightning strike. It's close to where my daughter lives last night. I say last night is this morning. So they lost power over there for a little while. But it is springtime. So, all right. So I'm just going to line this on top of it. Top of that. And then she's going to go right here, sitting on top of like these quotes here. You may stop struggling and just get your tool. All right. So I'm going to put this. Oh, look, I put that one up on top of there a little bit too high. That's all right. We'll fix it. Everything needs to be moved down just a little bit. That's okay. It can be done. I want this to look like she's kind of sitting on this. There we go. And then, oh, I haven't put that down. Oh, that's smart. I thought I put it down already and I didn't put it down far enough. Oh, good. I hope you guys are playing around. We'll share some of your layouts. If you share them on Facebook, let me know where you share them on, and I will go over there and check them out. I'd love to see what you guys are doing. I like seeing it. I'm nosy. I like, you know, I'm a grandma and I like knowing what's going on. So that's going to go, and I did make sure that this is the right way before I put it down here. And you need to let go for a minute. I'm going to turn this around because I want to make sure my vision is not always the best. So I do want to make sure that it's the way it's supposed to be. And this is the other part of her name in Japanese. So I'm going to glue this down. Hopefully my glue will cooperate with me. I've used it a lot today. I've done quite a few layouts today. I did try to close it up when I'm done, but that doesn't always help. Now it's coming out okay. All right. Jutsu, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and Miku, I believe is how she pronounces that name. All right. Now at the bottom, I have an anime kitty. She likes cats. So I have an anime kitty that I'm going to put on here. And that's going to be pretty much my page. I'm not going to do much else to it. I don't think it needs more than this. Some pages are nice, just easy. It's good to be just simple, easy pages. I do have another page I want to show you that I did with the same cuts, just different paper. I just did this. Just let me get this one down and I'll show you that one real quick. The other one I did was my granddaughter. When she was planting flowers when she was little. And now she's in high school and she does gardening. So there's that lamp. I think it's adorable. I will put her name on it and the year that this was at later. And then this is the other layout we did with the same size paper, 6x10 and 6x12. Same cuts, just different. And they look totally different because in this one I did more of a build a scene, which I love doing that. It's easy. You know, you can just think of different things and put them on there and it looks fabulous. Tiny Gardener is the name of this one. And I still need to do my journaling on this one too. I'll make the pocket on the back like I normally do. And this is that same cuts, totally different layouts. Guys, this is the last of the series. I will be having one more video in this series where I'm just going to show you all the layouts and do a layout share. And then I will be working on the next 4for4 series. So I hope you guys stick around. I'll talk to you later and share your layouts with me. Bye, everybody.